Hello everyone, thanks for joining my channel Cloud and Coffee with Navneet. And if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button for more AI and tech content. This is third video in our series GenAI for Absolute Beginner. And in this video, we are breaking down the key terminology you need to know in a generative AI. This is going to be our go-to video if you ever need to refer all the keywords used in GenAI. So let's get started. I have already covered the definition of AI, ML, deep learning, and the GenAI in the past. But let's review it one more time. Let's start with the artificial intelligence, that is AI. AI is a broad field of making machine intelligent. Teach them to think, learn, and make decisions like humans. Example, we've been using the Google Maps for navigations, we are using Alexa for the voice assistants, or we are getting the fraud detection within our... Let's move to the machine learning, that is ML. Machine learning is a subset of AI where computers learn patterns from the data and improve over time without explicitly programmed. Example, spam detection in Gmail. Your inbox learns which email are spam based on the past behavior. Fraud detection in banks. ML help identify suspicious transactions. Deep learning. Deep learning is a type of machine learning that uses neural networks for process large amount of data and recognize complex patterns. Think of how our brain works. Example, self-driving car uses deep learning to recognize pedestrian, road sign, and even obstacles. Last but not least is generative AI. This is where things get exciting. Generative AI goes beyond analyzing data. It actually creates new content based on what it has learned. Example, we are having the ChatGPT. It allows you to create text, generate new images, allow you to write any answers, and even allow you to do the coding. We are having the stable diffusion model, which allow you to generate high quality artworks. So unlike traditional AI, which allow you to follow rules, GenAI can create an adaptive in nature. Now we have learned the basics framework of where the GenAI fits into picture. Now we're gonna go and learn about all the new concepts or all the key concepts within the foundation, within the GenAI. First in line is the foundation model. Think of the backbone of a GenAI. Foundation models are large, pre-trained AI models that can be fine-tuned for the different tasks. Example, we are having this ChatGPT 4, which is text-based model, which can be used for the chatbot, coding, or for writing. We are having this DALL-E, which is image-based foundation model, which help us to create the high-quality artworks. Then we are having this Whisper, which help you to convert that speech to text, right? So this is the audio-based foundation model. The next in line is large language model or LLMs. LLMs are massive deep learning models trained on huge data set of text to understand and generate human-like languages. Example, we are having this ChatGPT 4, DeepSeek, LLaMA model. We are having this Google Bard model, right? Now let's understand the transformer model, the secret sauce behind the GenAI. Transformers are the technology that made modern AI possible. It uses self-attention mechanism to understand better context than previous model. Thanks to transformer, AI can predict, understand, and generate text more naturally. For example, we are having this Google Bard, which is bidirectional encoder representation from transformers. And then we are having this OpenGPT, which are generative pre-trained transformers. And we're gonna go deep on learning about how transformer model works in our upcoming videos. Let's move to the diffusion model. While LLMs are great for text, diffusion model power AI generated image and videos. Think of a diffusion model are an artist drawing from the noise to create the stunning visuals. Examples, we are having this DALL-E 2 Midjourney, which convert the text prompt into high quality images. We are having the stable diffusion model, which are open source AI for the image generations. And then we are having this Runway ML, which allow you to do AI powered video creation. Now let's move to the reinforcement learning with human feedback, which is RLHF. Mouthful, right? So ever wondered how ChatGPT improve over time? It is because of RLHF. What it is? So AI is just not trained on the data, but also rely on the human feedback to improve the accuracy. For example, whenever we provide feedback to ChatGPT when we interact with them, it adjusts its answer accordingly. Let's move the token. Think of AI unit for language. Tokens are the building blocks of language for the AI models. A token can be a word, a part of a word, or even punctuation. Example, if you can think of Navneet is amazing, that can be broken down. Navneet is amazing, and exclamation marks. Most AI models have token limits, which affect how much they can process in one response. Embedding AI memory for words. Embedding represents words as a number, so AI can understand their meaning and relationship. Embedding helps AI understand meaning rather than just text. Example, words like dog and puppy will have a similar embedding, meaning AI knows they are related. Words like bank, which is money, and then we are having the bank, which is from the river, will have a different embedding based on the context. Now let's move to the prompt engineering, the art of talking to AI. Prompt engineering is the skill of designing better prompt to get more accurate response from AI. Example, if I can ask them, tell me about space, or if I can ask them, explain the history of space exploration in a simple term with a key milestone. What do you think which will be provide me the better result? Of course, the later one. Explain the history of space exploration in a simple term with a key milestone. This is where we are keeping and providing better context to our models, so it's able to have a far better understanding what we are looking to ask and provide better response to us. And we're gonna go deep on the prompt engineering and kind of prompt engineering which is being available in our upcoming video. Let's move to the hallucination. So this is where when AI get it wrong, right? Hallucination happen when AI generate incorrect or misleading information. Example, AI may say Albert Einstein won the Nobel Prize for the theory of relativity. However, in reality, he won it for the photoelectronic effect, not for the relativity. So AI is not perfect. So always double check, especially when you're looking for the historical references or historical information. Let's move to the RAG, which is Retrieval-Augmented Generation. RAG is an AI approach that retrieves information from the external source before generating responses. RAG improves accuracy and reduces hallucination in AI-generated content. Example, instead of a chatbot which is making up facts, it fetches real-time information from a databases for you to provide more information or more accurate information. Let's move to the knowledge bases. A knowledge base is a structural database where AI can retrieve information to enhance its response. AI model reference a knowledge base to provide factual and reliable answer. Think of Google search index, company wiki, or maybe the databases. Last but not in the list is AI agent. There is saying 2024 was year of RAG and 2025 is going to be year of AI agents. AI agents are the system that automatically perform tasks by analyzing data, making decisions, and even taking actions. AI agents go beyond chatbot. They automate workflow, assist in coding, and even interact with an API. Example, you can build a chatbot or you can build an AI agent that help you to analyze the market trend, retrieve the report, and even suggest the investments. Even I have built an example where I will be extracting the data from the AWS blocks and generating meaningful information for me. With that, these are the keywords which you should know when you're working or when you will be trying to learn GenAI. With that, this is the end of our video. Please do like, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video. Thank you very much.